When exactly is the AI bubble going to burst? Right now, everyone in the financial world is asking the same question. But if you know how to read the stars, you know that massive economic bubble aren't random. They follow a highly predictable astrological rhythm. And today, we are going to calculate the exact window when the bubble might burst. Hey guys, I'm Doma and welcome back to my study log. And don't forget to click that like button below. Now, if you've been watching the channel, you know we've already mapped out the 2026 to 2030 macro shift and the 4 distinct sectors set to change forever. But today we're getting surgical. We're putting aside the broad overviews and diving into the mechanics of financial astrology. Specifically, we are looking at the interplay among Uranus, Jupiter, and Neptune, the exact astronomical signatures that have traditionally fueled humanity's wildest speculative manias. At the end of this video, you'll understand 3 critical things. Number 1, the engine. Why the underlying technology is 100% real, and the specific transit driving it. Number 2, the illusion. How a massive fog of war is currently blinding retail investors. Number 3, the exact 5-month window in 2026, where the AI pioneer spirit hits a hard break wall. Whether you're long-term investing or swing trading tech stocks, understanding this timeline is the difference between life-changing gains and holding the bag. So grab a coffee, open up your charts, and let's dive into part 1. To understand why AI boom is happening right now, we have to look at Uranus. In astrological terms, Uranus is the radical technology, disruption, and shocking breakthroughs. Now, as I touch the 2026 macro shift breakdown, Uranus is currently making its move into Gemini, and this is where things get super interesting. Gemini is a sign that rules communication, data processing, language models, and networks. It's the ultimate information sign. When you put the planet of radical technology into the sign of data processing, you get the perfect astrological soil for artificial intelligence to explode. Historically, whenever Uranus enters Gemini, which happens roughly every 84 years, we see massive rapid leaps in how humanity moves information. It fundamentally changes the networking infrastructure. This transit, which officially kicks in higher gear in mid-2025 and lasts until 2032, represents the real value behind the tech. When I'm looking at technical analysis for swing trade and tech sector, this transits the underlying current. It tells us what foundation of the tech is real. It's a genuine paradigm shift. But, and this is a massive but, a technological paradigm shift doesn't automatically mean the current stock prices are justified. Which brings us back to the actual bubble maker. So where does the bubble actually come in? To understand this, we need to introduce 2 other players, Jupiter and Neptune. Jupiter is a planet of expansion. It takes whatever it touches and make it bigger, louder, and more exaggerated. So basically, it's a planet of more. Neptune, on the other hand, is a planet of illusion, glamour, and imagination. Neptune rules the things that we want to believe are true. In 2025, Jupiter joined Uranus in Gemini. In financial astrology, this is a classic gold rush signature. This is a phase where everyone you know is suddenly an AI expert, while Jupiter is throwing fuel on the Uranus fire. Saturn and Neptune are beginning a massive conjunction in the final degrees of Pisces and the start of Aries. This Saturn and Neptune conjunction creates what I call a fog of war in the market. Makes it nearly impossible for average investors to tell the difference between a tech company with a genuine profitable AI product and a company with a shiny portfolio running on venture capitals. During this phase, you are going to see astronomical valuations based entirely on future promises rather than current earnings. People aren't buying the tech, they're buying the Neptune dream. And historically, whenever Neptune is heavily involved in a speculative market. So when will the bubble burst? Based on the 2026 astrology calendar in my previous video, the maximum tension of this entire setup peaks in the first half of 2026, while the broader macro shift to decentralized data lasts all the way till 2030. Historically, the Saturn-Neptune conjunction is the exact signature of bursting illusions. The hype gets priced out, and only the fundamentally sound companies survive. So what's the takeaway here? Don't trade the hype, trade the transits. If you find this breakdown helpful, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next deep dive into the macro cycles. Bye, and I will see you in the next video.